You know, I've spent a lot of my life trying to decode what it actually means to love. Is it just the feelings that creep up within you when you meet that person? Is it that feeling when you lock eyes with them and it all makes sense? Or is love a choice, an active choice that you make every single day? We've argued about what it means to love our whole lives. And I think I've reached the conclusion that true love is without attachment. It's without the need to control somebody. It is just simply the pure acceptance of somebody for who they are, wholeheartedly. And I think people get into relationships either because they're scared to be alone, or they want to be loved and they want to be validated for who they are, and they start to control that relationship, asking their partners to do things that, even though at the beginning they accepted them for, they're trying to change them. Sometimes the mistake that we make is we get into these relationships hoping that we can change people. And especially as a woman, I think that that's more common than for men. But as women, we get into relationships for the potential of what one could be. And I've made that mistake before, getting into relationships hoping I could change the person and trying to limit them, and obviously that's not love. It's control. It's wanting to control the person because we don't have control over ourselves. And so love, real love, is the true acceptance of another individual fully for who they are, completely, regardless of what happens to them, regardless if things go one way or the other, regardless if you break up because your careers take different paths, or you fall in love with somebody else, or you realize that that's not what you want, or any other reason. You still accept the person for who they are and accept the moments that you experience together. Because at one point in time, you loved them and you chose them. And true unconditional love is wanting the best for the person that you're with, even if that's with or without you. It's wanting that person to be happy, with or without you.